Hi guys, on this video I'll be showing you how to make green banana chips at home. It is so easy to do. I hope you like this video and I hope you learned something from it. Let's get started. So start by adding salt to cold water like you see on the video. And green bananas have a sticky substance whenever you peel them, and in many occasions you are going to realize that they turn black if you leave them out for too long. So the salty water will help to remove that sticky substance and the bananas are not going to turn black when left. So just peel the bananas like you can see on the video, and you can cut into these shapes, or you can cut into quarters like you see on the video. Whichever you prefer is fine. And you're going to do that to all the bananas and then leave them for approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour, so that the bananas will be clean and there will be no black substance left on them. So drain off the excess water like you can see on the video. I just used a clean kitchen towel and poured the bananas on it to absorb the excess water, as you're not going to need the water when deep frying. And guys, these banana chips are so easy to make like you're going to see, and you can make them for breakfast, for lunch, or even as a snack. And at this point I was just testing if the deep frying oil was ready. And the oil should not be too hot and neither should it be too cold. So once you put a piece of banana, it should come up in just a few seconds. And since it was ready, I just went ahead and added all the bananas to deep fry. And once you put the bananas into the oil, be sure to put high flame, that is a high fire, just to make sure that the bananas are crunchy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. And keep turning carefully just to ensure that all the bananas cook evenly, and to make sure that there are no bananas that are turning color or burning in the process. And the bananas, some of the bananas were ready, so I just went ahead and scooped them from the hot oil. So at this point I was just scooping the fries from the hot oil like you can see on the video. And since there are many types of green bananas, you can choose whichever you'd like to use. You do not have to use any specific type of the bananas. And at this point the bananas were ready, so I just put them onto a kitchen towel just to drain off the excess oil. And these chips were so yummy, and you can go ahead and just sprinkle chili or just any spice of your choice. You can use black pepper, you can use white pepper, sprinkle on it, and then it will be even more delicious, especially if you like spicy food. And that was it guys. It was so fun to do this recipe. I hope you like it, and I hope you purpose to give it a try. And I hope to see you guys on my next video, and until next time, bye bye.